Hey there, fellow homeowners. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech troubles into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into a super common issue: why your Honeywell thermostat screen is blank in 2025. If you've ever walked up to your thermostat only to find a dark, unresponsive screen, you're not alone. This problem can be frustrating, but the good news is that it's often an easy fix. Let's get straight into it. First off, the most likely culprit is dead batteries. Honeywell thermostats rely on batteries for backup power, even if they're wired to your home's electrical system. Start by checking the battery compartment, usually on the front or back of the device. If the batteries are low or corroded, replace them with fresh AA or AAA ones, depending on your model. Once you do that, give it a minute and see if the screen lights up again. If swapping batteries doesn't do the trick, next up is checking your power supply. Sometimes, a tripped circuit breaker or loose wire can cause the screen to go blank. Head to your home's electrical panel and make sure the breaker for your HVAC system is in the on position. Also, inspect the wiring at the thermostat itself. Ensure all connections are secure and not frayed. Remember, if you're not comfortable messing with wires, it's best to call a professional to avoid any risks. Another quick fix to try is resetting the thermostat. Most Honeywell models have a reset button or a sequence you can follow in the user manual. This can clear any temporary glitches. Hold down the reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds, or follow the specific instructions for your model year, like the 2025 updates, which might include a simple app-based reset if it's a smart thermostat. Now, if none of these steps work, it could be a more serious issue, such as a faulty display or internal hardware problem. In that case, contact Honeywell support or a certified technician. They can diagnose if it's under warranty or needs replacement. There you have it. Simple solutions to get your Honeywell thermostat back on track. By troubleshooting step by step, you'll save time and money. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home tech tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.